I feel like that's an old-timey, like, film cliche, right? Where, like, oof, you get, a woman wearing, like, a coat and nothing underneath, and that's supposed to be really sexy. I do feel sexy. I do feel sexy, even though I'm sick. Coming down with a cold. Have a terrible sore throat, and it's getting to be like cough. But at least I still have this. I don't have any medicine in here, any allopathic medicine, but this could be a good holistic remedy. I'm gonna drink a shot of this and see if it helps.